if you look at that steering wheel, it goes like that, and it's supposed to be level across, and that right front is way in. That one's almost straight. Taking it up, taking the wheels off the front, working on front suspension. We can get it close up in the air as far as alignment, straightness, steering wheel stuff. And we put it on the ground, put some weight on it, and then we check it all over again. I really like that. You should buy yourself one for Christmas. So what I did was I busted loose my tie rod end, and then I'm going to take it off. I mean, I could tighten it all the way down, but it's easier just to take it off. And then I'm going to take the one off the other side. Where's my orange light? I got it. I don't want to get up again. And now I'm going to run that thing all the way out. And there's a tape measure. If we measure from here, I don't think that'll work. Hold on. And then we run it the other way. Then we measure again. So we measured it all the way this way, we measured it all the way that way. We have, 5 inches of travel. So we need to back it off 2.5 inches. And we could probably just go like this. So I'm at 3 1/4. So now what I want to do, I've got this rack centered-ish, right? And then I strap the steering wheel to the clutch pedal. It'll move a little bit, but not a lot. And so then I'm going to thread this on until this is straight-ish. Straight-ish, right? And we'll verify straight-ish by, I don't know, some sort of fuckery. Gonna need some WD-40. Okay, so I've got the wheels just about where I want them. I got a big long rod over here. And so it's either straight or it's towed out a little bit. It might change when I drop the car, but I'm not. I clamp the rotor to the disc. You can't see that, but anyway, this is a upper downer thing, and so it's telling me that this is at 88.6 degrees, which means it's that way. So if I loosen this, like that, and probably loosen this like that, then I can take this and rotate it to 90 degrees. And when I did that, now I'm definitely towed in, which is good because I'm maxed out going in so I can come out. So now I want to tighten this without moving that. So caster is this line going like that. You want a little bit going like that. Helps it drive straight. And then camber is this way. And then toe is like this. So I like this. Let me go do the other side. And then we'll make some adjustments. Try to get it straighter. And then we can set the car down. I'm gonna have a problem turning that. Let me see, can I turn it? Okay, so we got the front. I want to call it set up in the air. So our camber is dialed at 89.9 degrees, almost 90. And then our wheel toe, I've got it almost straight, up in the air. When it goes down, it's going to change. But we're going to get it close for now. We're going to loosen these again. Who did that? Was that me? Must have been. We take our tool, we put it on here. And it says 90. 89.9, 90. So we're going to hold this and tighten this back up. We'll do toe on this, but it's this. Can you see? Yeah. It's this thing right here. We'll do that on the ground. Hopefully. Other side. And then we'll come back. It's too long. Not really. .3, 1.7 degrees. 87.8, 2.2 degrees. Nothing's towed out. That's even better. So I'm going to take everything out. At least 1.5 degrees. 2 degrees on the front, 1.5 on the rear, 2 on the front. Okay, so if you look at it now, everything kind of cockeyed out a little bit. $89.9. Says 88.7. 89.9. 88. We should set up some strings. We can do string alignment right here. Let me get set up. It's late. I forget to hit record. So this is a string method for alignment. You build a box with your strings. So my strings are .60 mil off the center cap. On both sides. And if you measure the back of the wheel, it's at 50, and the front of the wheel is at 50. So that wheel is straight along the string. This wheel is 60 and 40. So it's like this because we're further away from this side of the string, so the wheel's canted that way. And so the other wheel is 51 and 49. So it's like this. It's towed in 2 millimeters, which is pretty good. I want it 1 millimeter, but that's fine too. So now I'm gonna sit under here and I'm gonna screw with this wheel and then we'll figure it out. I need to jack the car up and put some slider or thingamajigs under there. I'm gonna try that without disturbing anything. But anyway, I gotta take this wheel in. And then these are two slippery pieces of paper, so they'll just go like this. Okay, so that thing cut off like it always does, but that's because I've been out here for a long time. So it's 1 o'clock in the morning, but I got it lined up the way I want it. So the back wheels are straight and the front wheels are just slightly towed in. 1 millimeter here, 1 millimeter there. So it's 2 mils total, but it's like this. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that steering wheel off like this, rotate it, stick it back on so it's straight up and down, and then when we get it running we take it to the alignment shop and they can double check it. But I'm calling it for today. I'll pick it up tomorrow. I gotta bleed brakes. I gotta wait for my new fuel pump to arrive. We install that, and then we can tune. I gotta tighten up those rear sway bars. I gotta make a list. I'll make a list. Y'all go to bed.